Get ready to engross yourself in the pura vida way of life as you explore the very best of Costa Rica travel. This country, known as the Rich Coast, is a Central American gem overflowing with endless adventures and natural wonders. Spanning from the pearly waters of the Caribbean Sea to the frothing waves of the Pacific Ocean, it's a land of incredible biodiversity and heart-stirring beauty. Imagine volcanoes sprouting from mist-haloed jungles, cinnamon-tinted beaches framed by forests filled with howler monkeys, and the promise of unforgettable adventures around every corner. Your journey begins here with TR Chove's 101 Guide to Costa Rica Travel, your ultimate resource for discovering the country's most enthralling destinations and activities. 10. San Jose. San Jose, Costa Rica's lively capital, deserves a pause before venturing into the country's eco-wonders. Avenida Central pulses with energy, linking lively neighborhoods. Explore the Central Market for exotic fruits and coffee beans, or visit the Cultural Plaza housing the pre-Columbian Gold Museum. In Escazú, savor traditional Tican cuisine at eateries like Ram Luna and Tequisia, enjoying panoramic city views. The nearby hills impart a peaceful escape into Costa Rica's abundant backcountry. 9. Tortuga Island. Tortuga Island, off the Nicoya Peninsula's south side, rivals Thailand's beauty. A scenic 90-minute boat ride from Punta Arenas transports you to this idyllic haven. Its white beaches, jungle-framed rocks, and rich marine life entice adventure seekers and city dwellers alike. Dive into El Acuario Reef's colorful world, home to rainbow fish, stingrays, and vibrant corals. Bye Bye Reef and the Caroline Star Shipwreck promise encounters with sea turtles, manta rays, and reef sharks. Venture into the island's forested hills for ziplining and jungle hikes, where scarlet macaws and tapirs add to the allure. Tortuga Island is a paradise, blending sun, sea, and jungle adventures. 8. Santa Teresa. Santa Teresa, settled at the tip of the Nicoya Peninsula, is a surf paradise boasting 6 miles of fantastic beach breaks. From the beginner-friendly Playa Hermosa to the challenging waves of Mal País, surfers of all levels flock here for the ride. Beyond surfing, Santa Teresa pulses with nightlife, providing you with dance-worthy beats at clubs like La Lora. Explore nearby jungles for a refreshing dip at the Montezuma waterfall. Whether catching waves or dancing till dawn, Santa Teresa ensures an unforgettable experience. 7. Tortuguero. Tortuguero, hidden on Costa Rica's Caribbean coast, is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Named after its sea turtle residents, the town hosts spectacular turtle safaris from July to October, where visitors witness nesting and hatchlings under the moonlit sky. Beyond turtles, Tortuguero National Park beckons with its sprawling wetlands and creeks. Glide through these untouched landscapes by canoe or kayak for an intimate encounter with nature's wonders. Tortuguero brings a serene escape into a world where wildlife thrives. 6. Boas Volcano. Rising majestically over the central valley of Costa Rica, Boas Volcano is an awe-inspiring sight, visible even from the streets of San Jose. At an impressive 8,848 feet, it's one of Central America's most active volcanoes, with eruptions in recent years keeping it on everyone's radar. Currently, Boas Volcano National Park is open to visitors, though some trails and viewing decks may be restricted. Is it worth the trip? Absolutely. This is your chance to peer into 2 colossal volcanic calderas and gaze at the exceptional crater lakes. Marvel at the inky blue beauty of Lake Botos and the acidic, milky waters of the hot lagoon atop the main volcano. The landscape here is like no other, displaying a lovely glimpse into the power of nature. So grab your camera and prepare for an adventure as you explore one of Costa Rica's most dramatic natural wonders. If you could spend a day in Costa Rica doing anything you wanted, what would it be? Describe your perfect day in the comments. We're excited to hear your dream adventures. If you're finding our recommendations helpful, Show us some love by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell. 5. Monteverde. Monteverde, Costa Rica's ecotourism hub, invites adventurers to explore its misty Cordillera de Tilaran. The Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve, a biodiverse wonderland, showcases extensive trails and an enchanting suspension bridge, showing snapshots of the kinetic resplendent quetzal and elusive golden toad. Eco-friendly lodges like the Monteverde Cloud Forest Lodge boast serene stays amidst the verdant landscape. Nearby Santa Elena buzzes with activities like whitewater rafting, canyoneering, and horseback riding, making Monteverde a nature lover's paradise. 4. Arenal. Anchored by the iconic Arenal volcano, Arenal beckons adventurers to its wondrous landscape. Arenal Volcano National Park boasts hikes to the stunning La Fortuna waterfall and spelunking in the Venado Caves. Lake Arenal offers zip lining, hot springs, and water sports like paddleboarding and kayaking. With its rich array of activities, Arenal is the ultimate playground for adventurers and nature enthusiasts. 3. Tamarindo Beach. Located between two rocky headlands along the Guanacaste shoreline, Tamarindo Beach has emerged as one of Costa Rica's most famous surf towns, earning its spot as one of the best places to visit. But you don't have to take our word for it. Set out on a delightful Guanacaste vacation tour and experience the magic for yourself. First discovered by surfers in the 1970s, Tamarindo has since transformed into a bustling hub of lively bars, chic hotels, and slick surf shops. The surf here is still legendary, catering to all skill levels. From the shifting sandbars of the Estero River to the gentle waves of Capitan Suizo, there's something for everyone. And with a plethora of surf hostels, camps, and schools, Tamarindo is Central America's answer to Kuta, Bali. But Tamarindo isn't just about surfing. It's also a gateway to adventure. Explore Marino Las Baulas National Park, home to nesting leatherback sea turtles on Playa Grande from October to March. Or go on a scuba diving expedition to the Catalina Islands, where crystalline waters teem with marine life, including majestic manta rays. 2. Islas Murciélagos. The Islas Murciélagos, or Bat Islands, are a scuba diver's paradise and a must-visit destination in Costa Rica. Situated off the coast of Guanacaste, these islands boast some of the best diving in the world, with visibility reaching up to an impressive 98 feet on clear days. Dive sites like Big Scare and Bajo Negro provide magnificent encounters with bull sharks, spadefish, moray eels, and octopi. But the adventure begins even before you dive, as spinner dolphins and whales often graze the waters between the mainland and the islands. Part of the larger Santa Rosa National Park, the Islas Murciélagos are remote and unspoiled, with empty coral gardens and volcanic reef systems waiting to be explored. While most visitors stick to the sea, you can also hike the trails on Isla San Jose, featuring stunning views from the ranger station and lookout point. 1. Guanacaste. For a secluded beach getaway on the Pacific coast, look no further than Guanacaste. This sprawling province boasts a diverse range of landscapes, from sparkling sands to dense forests and mangrove swamps. Start your adventure in the northern part of Guanacaste, home to Santa Rosa National Park and its pristine beaches and mangrove forests. Inland, adrenaline junkies can zipline through the treetops or head off on hiking adventures in the verdant woodlands. Along the coast, hammock swinging days await in Playa Hermosa, while snorkeling and sunset sailing expeditions beckon in Playa Grande. And for surfing enthusiasts, world-class waves await in Nosara, Tamarindo, and Playa Guiones. With so much to see and do, Guanacaste is a paradise for everyone. Which of the 10 places we showcased in Costa Rica would be at the top of your must-see list? Share your picks in the comments below. We're eager to hear your favorites. Thanks for exploring Costa Rica's must-visit destinations with us on TR Chove. If you love discovering these incredible spots, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest adventures. Your interactions mean the world to us and help our channel grow. Until next time, happy travels!